IES Technology. Market Entry Strategy. For IES Technology, this framework helps evaluate internal capabilities, from HVAC diagnostics to SMPS repair expertise, against the external conditions of a new geographic market, enabling smarter expansion decisions and a more effective entry strategy. Internal advantages. Diverse technical expertise. IES Technology covers a broad service portfolio, from electronic equipment repair and SMPS power supply diagnostics to HVAC/air conditioning maintenance and industrial system troubleshooting, enabling cross-sector market penetration. Skilled workforce and modern tools. A team of certified technical professionals equipped with modern diagnostic tools, delivering fast and accurate fault diagnosis that supports high service quality and customer confidence in a new market. Cost-effective and reliable solutions. IES Technology's commitment to preventive maintenance programs, cost-effective repair solutions, and focus on reducing equipment downtime provides a compelling value proposition to new commercial and industrial clients. External risks. Established local competitors. Existing regional repair and maintenance providers with loyal customer bases, local reputation, and established pricing models can make it difficult for IES Technology to gain early market share. Regulatory and compliance barriers. New government licensing requirements, import restrictions on diagnostic equipment, and local industry regulations for HVAC and electrical services may increase operational costs and slow market entry timelines. Economic and currency risks. Economic instability, fluctuating currency exchange rates, and varying purchasing power in the new market could affect pricing strategy, cost recovery, and overall profitability of operations. Rapid technology evolution. Fast-changing electronics and industrial systems require continuous technician upskilling. Failure to keep pace with new technologies in the target region could diminish IES Technology service relevance. Internal challenges. Brand visibility. Limited recognition and track record in the target new geographic region. Resource constraints. Scaling technical teams, tools, and support infrastructure to a new region demands significant capital. Geographic reach. Establishing reliable on-site service coverage and response times in an unfamiliar territory. Recognizing these vulnerabilities before entering the new market is essential for IES Technology to plan targeted investments and prioritize capability building efforts. Key weakness areas to address. 1. No existing brand reputation or client portfolio in the new region. 2. Limited local partnerships, supplier networks, or distribution channels. 3. Potential gaps in knowledge of local industry standards and compliance norms. 4. Resource intensity of deploying and supporting technical staff remotely. 5. Digital marketing and online presence may need strengthening for new market visibility. Identifying these weaknesses creates a clear improvement roadmap, not a barrier, for IES Technology's successful regional expansion. Market opportunities. Growing industrial and commercial demand. New geographic markets often feature expanding industrial zones, commercial construction, and growing demand for HVAC, electrical, and electronic maintenance services, sectors where IES Technology holds strong expertise. Underserved technical service market. Many emerging regions lack access to high-quality, professional electronic and HVAC repair services. IES Technology's preventive maintenance programs and advanced diagnostics can fill a critical gap. B2B contracts and long-term agreements. Partnering with local factories, data centers, hospitals, or commercial facilities for annual maintenance contracts can generate stable, recurring revenue streams and anchor IES Technology's regional presence. Strategic entry opportunities. 1. Government infrastructure projects requiring technical support and system maintenance. 2. Rise of smart buildings and IoT-connected HVAC and power systems requiring expert servicing. 3. Local companies seeking cost-effective alternatives to manufacturer service contracts. 4. Limited qualified competition in specialized SMPS and industrial electronics repair. These openings allow IES Technology to establish itself quickly by targeting underserved niches before competition intensifies. How to conduct the SWOT analysis. 1. Assemble your team. Bring together IES Technology's technical leads, operations staff, and business development personnel to gather perspectives across service lines, from HVAC to industrial electronics. 2. Define clear objectives. Establish specific goals for the market entry, which industries to target first, what service lines to lead with, and what timeframe is set for achieving operational break-even in the new region. 3. Brainstorm all factors. Generate comprehensive lists under each SWOT category through facilitated discussion, drawing on IES Technology's existing client data, service records, and knowledge of the target region's industry landscape. 4. Prioritize and analyze. Rank factors by impact and urgency, then cross-analyze, leverage IES Technology's technical strengths and cost-effectiveness against identified threats from local competitors and regulatory requirements. IES Technology Entry Strategy Snapshot. Strength. Broad technical service expertise, covering SMPS repair, HVAC diagnostics, and industrial troubleshooting, positions IES Technology as a one-stop technical solutions provider. Weakness. No existing brand presence in the new region means IES Technology must invest in local marketing, partnerships, and trust building before winning key contracts. Opportunity. Underserved industrial and commercial maintenance market in the target region presents significant potential for long-term service agreements and recurring revenue. Threat. Established local service providers with existing client relationships and regional pricing knowledge could undercut IES Technology during the initial entry phase. IES Technology should lead market entry through B2B outreach to industrial and commercial clients, leveraging its diagnostic capabilities and preventive maintenance programs as key differentiators. Recommended entry approach. 1. Pilot market selection. Identify 1 to 2 high-demand industry sectors, e.g., manufacturing, hospitality, in the new region to focus initial outreach and service delivery. 2. Local partnership development. Form alliances with regional distributors, facility managers, or industry associations to build credibility and accelerate client acquisition. 3. Brand and compliance setup. Register locally, obtain required trade licenses, and establish a visible digital and physical presence to meet regulatory and client expectations. 4. Scale and retain. Convert initial projects into long-term preventive maintenance contracts, building a loyal client base before expanding the full-service portfolio. Practical SWOT overview. 4-quadrant matrix. Organized framework separating IES Technology's internal factors, strengths and weaknesses, from external market factors, opportunities and threats, in the target region. Collaborative tools. Use editable templates from platforms like Miro, Asana, or Safety Culture for real-time team collaboration across IES Technology's departments and stakeholders. Evidence-based. Attach supporting data, client metrics, regional market reports, and service records to validate each SWOT point and ensure the analysis drives actionable strategy. Contact us for solutions. IES Technology Limited. Telephone 711-71041-50255-686. Email info@iestechnology.com.qa. Web www.iestechnology.com.qa.